Hello and welcome to another Excellent Minds tutorials. In this lecture, we're going to explore one of Excel's most powerful and time-saving features, autofill. Let us learn how to use autofill to quickly populate data series, create custom lists, and apply formatting across large ranges. Let's get started. What is autofill? Autofill is a feature in Excel that allows you to automatically fill cells with data that follows a pattern or series. This can save you a significant amount of time when entering repetitive data or creating sequences. Filling a series of numbers. Select a cell with a number. Click and drag the fill handle, this is the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell, across the cells where you want to extend the series. Excel will automatically fill the selected cells with a series of incremented numbers. Filling days of the week. Type a day of the week, for example, Monday, in a cell. Drag the fill handle across the cells where you want the series to appear. Excel will fill in the rest of the days. Now let's learn how to create a custom list. Go to File and go to Options. Now go to Advanced. Scroll down to the General section and click on Edit Custom List. In the Custom List dialog box, enter your custom list and click Add. For example, a list of department names. Now, when you start typing any item from your custom list and use the fill handle, Excel will autofill the rest of the list. Using autofill for formulas. Enter a formula in a cell. Drag the fill handle across the cells where you want to copy the formula. Excel will adjust the cell references automatically. It's called relative references. Autofill options. After dragging the fill handle, you will see the Autofill Options button. Click this button to choose how Excel fills the series. Options include copying the cells, filling the series, filling without formatting, or filling with formatting only. Try it. Using Flash Fill. Flash Fill is another powerful tool that recognizes patterns in your data and can fill out the rest for you. Here's how to use it. Let's say you have a column of full names. In the next column, enter a few examples of the pattern you want to follow. For example, first name from the full name. Select the range of this column up to where you want to autofill the pattern. Now go to Data, click on the Flash Fill button, or press Ctrl E on your keyboard. Excel will recognize the pattern and fill the rest of the column accordingly. Now, here are some of practical examples of using Flash Fill. Combining text. Suppose you have first names in column A and last names in column B. In column C, type the combined name for the first cell. For example, John Doe. Drag the fill handle or use flash fill to complete the rest of the column. Creating a sequence with a step value. Enter the first two numbers of your sequence in the first two cells. For example, 2 and 4 for a sequence with a step value of 2. Now select both cells and drag the fill handle to extend the sequence. Now here's a flash fill tip. Make sure that you have correct patterns. Make sure that the initial values you enter clearly define the pattern that you want Excel to follow. If the pattern is about first names, then make sure it is exactly the first names you are entering. Otherwise, you'll get an error. Autofill can also copy formatting. If you don't want this, use the autofill options to select Fill without formatting. Using the Fill series. For more control, use Home, Fill, Series to define the type of series, step value, and stop value. Autofill is a versatile tool that can significantly speed up your workflow in Excel. Whether you're filling in a series of numbers, creating custom lists, or copying formulas, autofill is there to make your task easier. Practice these techniques and you'll be an Excel pro in no time. Thank you for watching this tutorial and have an excellent learning ahead. Please hit like and subscribe to be notified of our next lectures in this lesson series. Thank you, and I'll see you in our next video.